Shalise McQueen, Luxury Home Magazine, Arizona. Welcome back to their intimate property tour. Today we are at 13810 East Redbird. Alongside me is Christina Vance, also known as Joy of Arizona of Compass. Hi, Christina.
Hi, Shalise.
Tell us about this fabulous property. We're here in North Scottsdale.
So this one is really unique. You get wide open spaces with modern amenities. The home was built in 2018. We're on 1.2 acres with an 8-foot deep pool and a detached shop that I cannot wait to show you.
Let's go check it out.
We're in one of my favorite features of this home, the detached workshop. This has so much opportunity, whether it is a future Christina or parking all your toys, it's got a lot of opportunity. The vision is yours, but right now it makes one hell of a man cave.